What makes a man see a woman as wife material? Wow, is that a great question. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation, also the PreMarital Academy, which can teach you how to find your soulmate, or if you're ready to get married, we have courses for that. But this question is great because you obviously want a man to realize that you are wife material. And you want to know what makes him recognize you as such. And this is such a deep, profound question, and it says a lot about you, a lot of good stuff. It tells me that you're willing to make changes in order to be married. There's a part of you that wants to be married, and I can tell you right now, you probably don't know why. So I'm going to tell you why you want to be married. People don't know why they want to be married. They think they want to be married to have kids or to get along. But you want to be married so that you will be happy, happier every day for the rest of your life. You also want to experience marital love, which is different from all these, I love this, blah, blah, blah. It's a very deep, unconditional love. These are the two real good reasons, the only reasons, really, that mean anything. Everything else is a sub-reason for why you would want to get married. And so now you want to be wife material for a man. So he doesn't see you as something other than, and he wants you to be his wife. It's a good question, and the answer is not so complicated. The man who's looking for a wife is looking primarily for those two things too. He wants someone who will bring happiness into his life. Everyday happiness. Everyday expanding, improving happiness. Yes, it's really possible. He also wants a woman, and this is a very deep answer because this goes into the psychophysiological, the mind and how it's controlled by the body based on its gender. Men don't have easy access to their hearts the way women do. So they're looking for the next step in that unconditional love evolution, which is a wife. The mother gave it to him. Now he wants it from his soulmate. So you can't make him, you can't convince him of these things. I mean, if you can con him into thinking that you can bring these to the table and you have to fake it, your marriage will not last. So it's very important for you to learn how to master your mind so that it is happy, so that you can, so people will say, wow, this is a happy woman. I wonder why. And this is a loving woman. I wonder why. These are not taught to us. And so you have to make a particularly special effort to get this information. Now, you could watch these videos. You should subscribe to the channel and learn, but it's on the surface. What's better for you is to go to the PreMarital Academy.org. It's our sister organization. And you can learn from how to find your soulmate. It's the dating course. And I go into a lot of depth of how to do this. It's step by step. It doesn't fail. And it's what you need to know. Essentially, you're going to learn how to never argue, never complain, always be uplifted, always be filled with joy, and be there with the man that you want. Let him know that is who you will be. Do you have to be perfect? No. We are not born perfect, but we do have free will, and we should be striving towards perfection every single day of our lives. No one ever teaches us this, but it's true. So I hope you take my advice. I'm going to leave a link so that you know where to go for this information. And we've made it really inexpensive because we want you to have it. It's not free because then people will go, oh, it can't be worth anything. It's free. But we've made it really affordable. Take advantage of it. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation, and I did it for esoteric reasons to help you. Take advantage of it. Thank you for spending time with me. God bless and take care.